Hello. We're gonna try today left justified method for strings, which is called ljust. Then we're going to try right justified. So we'll try them one after another. So the first method is left justified. However, it's difficult to check it unless we have two strings together. So I am using two strings. The first string that I've defined is in variable a, and that is stating welcome. The second variable I have defined with the string to Python string tutorial. So these two strings you're gonna use. So first of all, because it's a method, I've written a dot left justified ljust, and then I've written 20. It means 20 spaces. Sorry, it means 20 spaces from the next string. So just to make things more clear, I'm just going to concatenate it with b. So I want a string to be printed, and then b string to be printed after that, but in between them I want 20 spaces. Let's run and see the result. So you can see welcome is left justified from b, and how many spaces? 20 spaces. If I want to increase the spaces, I want to make it 50. So if I'll run it, you can see welcome is left justified. Now welcome is on the left side from the B. How many spaces? 50 spaces. Let's try the same thing but with R justified instead of left justified. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to say that print A and B together, but this time don't make it L justified. I want R justified and 50 spaces. So when I run it, a welcome will be right justified, and after that 50 spaces. So it means first 50 spaces will be empty, then welcome will come, and followed by two Python string because b is just after a. Let's run it and see. So you can see the first answer, this one, it is left justified, welcome to Python string tutorial. And the second, R justified 50, you can see it is only after 50. It is right justified and after 50 spaces. So this is L justified and left justified and R justified methods, and the keyword for them is L just and R just. The next method that I'm going to tell you is called split method. Split method is a method that can help you to split any string that you want to. I'm going to use a dot split, and you know that a is dot split. A is only having one word welcome, so of course it's just going to show us welcome only, and you can see it's showing us as if it's an array. So it's going to split all the words, and then it's going to put it in array. If instead of a I will write on split b, what will happen? B has more than enough words, so it will show okay, 2 is 1. Now it has split all the words and has placed them in an array. Okay, now I can also say that split the words for a specific character. So wherever, for example, o is, whenever it finds o, split that word. Let's run it and see the difference. So first o is at after 2, so it has just made t as first item of the array, and then p y t h, because next o and then it split it there. The next n after of Python will go to the next one, so it's splitting everything that is coming after an o. Similarly, if you want to split the words after a space, you can just put a space. So all the strings, everything or the string in b will be split whenever it will find a space. Okay, so you can see writing a space or not writing a space is going to give us the same result. So even if you're not writing a space here, if you're not defining on which basis you want to split, it will give you the same array. It means that it's going to split it on the basis of space. Okay, last method split we have done. Oh yeah, if we can do r split also. R split is from right hand side, so let's try r split. So when we do R split, it's also the same thing for this one. It's just gonna do the split from right hand side. So for example, if I say split for O and run, let's see what will happen now. So you can see that. So enjoy, try it more, and that's all. Good luck.